Hey there, savvy parents and guardians. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about managing finances for the little ones. Today, we're tackling how to open a Barclays Kids Bank account in 2025. If you're eager to start teaching your kids about saving, spending wisely, and building good money habits, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a Barclays Kids Bank account? It's a specially designed account for children under 16, helping them learn financial responsibility while you, as the parent or guardian, maintain oversight. With updates for 2025, Barclays has made it even easier and more secure, including enhanced digital features and educational tools. Step 1. Check eligibility. Your child must be between 7 and 15 years old to open this account, and you'll need to be a UK resident. Make sure you have a Barclays account yourself, as it's often required for linking. Next, gather the necessary documents. You'll typically need your child's birth certificate, proof of your identity like a passport or driving license, and proof of address. Don't forget, for 2025, Barclays might require additional verification, so check their website for the latest requirements. Now, onto the application process. The easiest way is online via the Barclays app or website. Head to the Kids Accounts section, fill out the form with your details and your child's information, and upload the required documents. If you prefer a personal touch, visit a local Barclays branch. Just book an appointment in advance to avoid any waits. Once submitted, approval usually takes a few days. After that, you'll get a debit card for your child, along with access to fun apps that teach budgeting. Remember, as the guardian, you'll have controls to monitor transactions and set limits. A quick tip. Take this opportunity to discuss finances with your kid. It's a great way to make learning interactive. And always keep an eye on any fees or interest rates. Barclays keeps them minimal for kids' accounts. There you have it, folks. Opening a Barclays Kids Bank account in 2025 is straightforward and rewarding. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more family finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.